Hi everybody, I'm Ange from Tupperware and I'm here to show you how to make my Roti Paratha seafood pizza that I've been raving about for the last week or two since I discovered it. I swear, this is just, Roti Paratha is like a flatbread. It's sort of it's like a dough. So I just pop that straight in there. Then I put some, I think I might have to open this. Yep, thought it was a new one. Never mind. So I got all these ingredients from Aldi. So I buy the marinara mix from Aldi. Last time I bought it was $13.95. Excuse me while I get my towel. $13.99 for a kilo. So in that I get calamari, prawns, fish and mussels. So I find it's cheaper. A kilo of prawns on its own was $12, $11.99 or something. I checked the other day. And so I find this better because you get so much more a variety. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put some pizza sauce from Aldi, a blob there, and the whiz bang pastry brush, or the basting brush that is currently on sale. As you can see, it tucks away quite neatly and it will click to be open. So I just use this to spread the sauce around on the paratha, like so. Now I'm going to try something a little bit different tonight. I'm going to use the ring. Probably that'll be enough. So be careful when you bounce this around because it tends to splatter a bit, like so. Anyway, alright, so is that done? Cheers, by the way. Those who know me well know that I like my wine. So I'm going to sit that there and place my seafood mix just randomly. That's my fish. I know what I did the other day. Actually, I put the cheese on now, but anyway, it doesn't matter. I forgot about that. I just put a little bit of cheese over the sauce so that it will stick, but I think it'll stick anyway. So I did just chop these up a little bit. Just spread mussels around. Who loves making pizzas? And what's your favourite toppings? Does pineapple go on? Does pineapple belong on the pizza? Do I dare to start that one? I actually love pineapple. And another one I thought would be really nice on this one, I've had it at Domino's, is baby spinach on their garlic pizza. But I tell you, this is so much cheaper than buying pizzas, especially these days when people can't really afford to. I hope that air conditioner's not bothering you. I'm sorry, I was meant to turn it off, but it's been quite hot here today. I was cooking earlier, as in melting. Okay, just pop all that, look at that. Yum, so thick and yummy. Just like so. I love the heat and eats. I actually use that without the lid to defrost anything in the microwave, because this base is safe for 80% power, which is used for defrosting, or whatever that is. Not with the lid, it's 500 watts. So these are perfect for that job. Now, anchovies. Who loves anchovies? Comment below. Asked a few questions. Pete's, anchovies, pineapple. What's your favourite toppings? Let me know. I might try one day. You really should try this paratha. It's really nice, and it's not so. That's a bit. I always overdo the anchovies because I love them so much. Even Brad likes them. Right, that'll be enough. Side. So I store them. They come in a little jar. I store them in a clear mat after I've opened them. And even though in the fridge the oil goes a little bit, it sort of sets, it's still quite fine to use them. So, and I've got heaps of cheese. So this is I prefer mozzarella. I usually get that, but this is cheddar, mozzarella, and parmesan. And you know what? It's not too bad at all. I have to be careful with cheese, what cheese I eat. It seems to upset my tummy a little bit. But mozzarella seems to be fine. So, oops, here we go. This will be interesting because I haven't used the ring before. And in the past, of course, the cheese just runs and it doesn't look very pretty. I've noticed in the photos I've been sharing. So we'll see what this one turns out like. Lovely. Okay. Oh, I'm getting hungry. I made this the other night for Brad and made one each because we've got two Micro Pro grills. And I made it for him and he tried it and he ate one and then he said, gee, I could go another one. So I had to make another. He said, do you want another one? I said, no, one's enough for me. So anyway, so that's that one. Now, the lid, I usually put it down on top of the pizza to melt that, to brown that cheese, but the ring might actually stop that from happening. But that doesn't matter. All right, so she's ready to go in. Give you a closer look. Have a look at that. It's just full-on seafood. But I need to get some, I really do need to get some baby spinach and add some green because that would be yummy. Garlic would be nice too. I had the garlic ones at Domino's. So anyway, I'm going to pop that in the microwave for about, with the Micro Pro grill, for the first 3 minutes, that is actually heating up the grill. Or 2 minutes, 2 or 3 minutes, it's heating up the grill. So, so you've got to add that to the cook time. So, I just try and think, if I give it 15 minutes last time, 12 to 15, at 1,000 watts, that microwave is 1,000 watts, so that is the maximum for the grill. So you need to reduce your power down. And I will be back in about 15 minutes to see, I'll show you how that is. So I'll pop it on for 15 minutes on 1,000 watts and then I'll be back. Bye for now. Hi everyone, I'm back. That was a quick 15 seconds, 15 minutes, more like 15 seconds. Yes, I'm just back to back 2 videos. So anyway, here I am, 15 minutes in the microwave, and I have checked, it's still bubbling. Get your hands on these gloves, they're amazing. Look at that. And it did brown. Look at that. Super yum. And it's actually, it's worked out with the ring, so I'm very happy with that. Now, need a bit of a, let's see if I can get it out without burning my fingers. Oops. Yep. Ring off. That can go in the dishwasher. Lift it out. How do this? Have a look at that. You'd think it would be soggy, wouldn't you? Nope. And look how clean, that's very hot. Bear with me. Gloves back on. Just want to show you, this is actually the Turner coating. So it's, look at that, I could just wipe that out. There's a bit of moisture around in the gutter, which is what it's meant to do. But, I mean, if it was fat, yeah. All right. Did I say that? All right. Now, so I've got my round flexible mat. How cool is that? And I've got the, it's actually a pastry server, or pie, yeah, for cutting pies, but now I have got whiz-bang Tupperware pizza cutter, but, oh, that's the pizza cutter, and then you've got a pastry cutter that's got squiggly. So if you ever see these come available, grab one. Right, so see how this goes. Pointy bit, because this is serrated, so it should work. Yeah, that worked. But I like my pizza cutter. Put this straight through. Oh, yum. Cut it into four, something small. It's missing out tonight. Oh, great. He's working nights too this week. Mind, I'll make it up to him and make more next week. Any excuse. All right, so there we go. That off. Look at that. Yum. Oh. All right. Who's going to get a grill? Amazing. You'll use it all the time. Sausages, hamburgers, steak, cakes, pancakes. Oh, you name it. Pizza rolls, kids snacks like cheese and Vegemite scrolls with the puff pastry. I haven't done it because I haven't got kids here yet, but a month's time. Jace and Tegan and little Huxley is coming to visit, so can't wait to see them. We have a wedding to go to, so that'll be exciting. See him again. He's 4 now. All right. Anyway, I'm going to leave you there, and I'm going to go and eat my tea. I hope you enjoyed that. All right. I'll see you again tomorrow. Bye for now.